Hey, how's it going, everyone? I have a power smoothie recipe to share today. This smoothie is super delicious. I say this might be one of the best tasting smoothies I've ever made. So I just wanted to share this. Now, keep in mind, this is a really big smoothie, and you can cut this recipe in half if it sounds like way too much, or you could share it with somebody else. But the reason why I made this smoothie so big is because this was a day that I only had 2 meals. I basically had this smoothie, and then about 5 hours later, I had dinner. So I'm pretty active, so I get a good amount of calories, a good amount of food in. So that's why I made this smoothie so large. But what it is was I had 4 frozen ripe bananas. And for the frozen ripe bananas, I actually soaked those in hot water for about 4 minutes to thaw out because I freeze them with the peel on. I had 3 ripe bananas that were not frozen. I had 1 cup of frozen strawberries. I had 1 cup of frozen blueberries. I had a couple handfuls of kale. I had a couple tablespoons, actually 3 tablespoons of raw almond butter. 2 tablespoons of cacao powder. I had 1 cup of coconut water, 1 cup of almond milk, and 4 dates. Now I will say that in order to make this smoothie work the way that I want it to, I have to use a very high quality blender. So I use the Vitamix. I used to have a different blender, and I couldn't do the dates or the kale. It would just be big chunks, especially with the dates. So the dates wouldn't blend up. But with the Vitamix, it blends the dates right up nice and perfect. So I recommend getting a good quality blender. And it made about 2 liters. And I actually have the totals. It was 1,600 calories, 282 grams of carbs, 35 grams of fat, 30 grams of protein, and 51 grams of fiber. So a lot of nutrition in there. And I just wanted to share it because it was so delicious. So thanks for watching. Make sure you give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Leave me a comment. Subscribe for more videos. Check out my plant-based recipe ebook in the description box below the video if you want some great recipes. Hope everyone has a fantastic day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.